October 5th, 2023, Ugandan teachers joined their colleagues elsewhere to commemorate the World Teachers' Day. In Luweero, teachers gathered at St. Chisto Primary School, naturally to voice out the challenges facing the profession in the district.
The working conditions are not so that hard, except we have also problems of lack of teachers, quotas, bad roads, and the economy also. So those ones also affect us as teachers and other differences. But I know when the government intervenes, teachers can work in normal working conditions, and when they are given equal salary, those things can be capped. Okay.
Esther Namboze, the chairperson of the Uganda National Teachers Union, UNATO branch in Luweero district, noted that teachers are overworked, underpaid, and undervalued, something which is pushing massive resignations from the profession. Esther added that teachers are grappling with a number of professional, economic, and personal challenges that have caused some to quit the profession for alternatives.
What they have to do, that is to teach. We know their problem mainly the salaries, which are meager, but we have been urging them to engage in small business if they cannot affect their work. That's during the holidays. During the weekends, they can be doing other things, but also we have been thankful to the Chief Finance Officer of Luweero.
The presidential envoy in the Uganda North American Association, said the increase in embezzlement of public funds has led to the decline of the education sector in Uganda.
Teachers are crying. Teachers are not being promoted. Teachers are not given, they are not given allowances for anything, let's say medical, housing, and many other things. Let us start thinking about the sector of education. And what has caused all that, so that the teachers' visibility is not seen, is because there is a lot of embezzlement in this country. Everywhere where we move around in the other outside countries, people, they say, hey, you are from Ugandan. So they look at you with the keen eyes because they think you are a thief, you are a murderer, you are anything.
He challenged the government to dig deep to tackle the widespread corruption.
I'm suggesting for helping to round up the embezzlement of the Ugandan money, which I think this committee, all the residents, all Ugandans, they can reach this committee and give in the names of the people who are really embezzling Ugandan money. It is becoming not, I mean, I can't tell. No.
Teachers expressed the challenges they experience in the search for a better future.
naye balowooze singa omwana asomesa oluzungu aba tamusomeseza bulungi naawe wa science ojja kufuna obuzibu.
Government to resume a phased manner of salary enhancement, because when the science people got the salary enhancement, their motivation went up, and that one of arts went down. I am a patriot.
The national commemorative event for the World Teachers' Day was held Thursday at Kololo Independence Grounds with President Museveni as the chief guest.